Good morning. Today, about the agitation going on, compelling this union government to withdraw the newly enacted farmers reform law. This was subject to uh, everybody wants to withdraw the said law, and they are agitating. Similar agitation was on when some sect of people were agitating for withdrawal of Citizenship Amendment Act. That time the Supreme Court has given some guidelines. Whether these police or executive want similar guidelines always, and this highly paid highest court who are constitutionally empowered to declare law under Article 142 are being treated as uh, what? So I will just remind. So I am not against any agitation, but at the same time obstructing the path, disturbing others. You have some disturbance, you have some problem for the newly elected lad, but you cannot impose your problem on others. Somehow you may be backing by some people financially and by feeding food, necessities, perks, transport, but there are a large percentage of people want to survive themselves by their day-to-day process, eking out their livelihood. If you are not keeping on that mind, that means you are waging internal war, insurgency to the law and order. See, Amit Sahani was Commissioner of Police on the right to hold protest. Article 19(1)A, 19(1)B. Demonstration expressing dissent have to be in designated places alone. Public ways and public places cannot be occupied for indefinite period. See, this is what had happened. They have discussed about a lot of theoretical jurisprudence views. They say our country made tryst with the destiny on the midnight hour of 15th August 1947, shedding the colonial yoke. So, beautiful English, Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Anurag Bose and Kishan Murari. Sanjay Kishan Kaul was the author of the judgment. Then they say separation of power between legislature, executive and judiciary. The legislation wisdom enacted Citizenship Act in 2019. So there was a disturbance. So different, they say protest against legislation in Delhi and in different parts of the country. We had noted in our data, despite the law facing constitutional challenge before this court, that by itself will not take away the right to protest person who feel aggrieved by legislation. But the question was how you have to keep in mind that you cannot disturb the other's problem. So a lot of number of pages. Despite the coronavirus pandemic apprehension, the agitation was going on. All this would apply with this present scenario. And they say that we only hope that such situation does not arise in the future and protests are subject to the legal position as enunciated above with some sympathy and dialogue but are not permitted to get out of hand. This is what had happened and what is now happening and what are you going to do? Do it. Today only this much. I am not well. Best wishes and I